Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Center. Please join us in conversation.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Wins. What an absolute pleasure it is to be here at the Automotive Training Center at their Surrey campus. I'm enjoying being in conversation with the people at the regulated college system. They understand the importance of training people, giving them focused education that leads to real jobs. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what program you're in.
Hi, okay, my name is Angelo, and I'm just an Automotive Service Technician here at Automotive Training Center.
Angelo, how long have you been in the program?
It's been 6 months now, 7 months.
6 or 7 months. Whereas cars and automotive, was that something that was always sort of in your mind to do?
No, it wasn't, and just last year I got all of a sudden like really into cars, and then just started getting more and more involved and wanted to learn more, and brought myself here.
What flipped the switch there? What car did you see drive by you that said, I need to be part of that?
It was actually a movie. It was a movie.
Yeah.
Never was really into cars before.
Right.
And it flipped the switch, and then I started watching more car movies, got more into cars. But yeah.
Now talk to me about the program. How did you find Automotive Training Center? What was it about this place that sort of stood out?
It was through a friend, and he recommended it. And I said I wanted to try it as well.
Yeah.
Put myself out there. Took a break from school, so wanted to go back to school. So this was one place that I was looking.
Angelo, talk to me about your first experience when you picked up the phone or you came in here and you called the folks here. What was the experience like?
Very welcoming. Very welcoming. Everyone's nice here, including Rowena, Michelle. They're very nice.
Right. Now, of course, it's important that in this sort of setting, when you're learning how to work on cars and things like that, to become an automotive technician, it's important that your instructors have a great deal of experience. Talk to me about the importance of that for you.
Very important. If ever I need like help or support, they're there. Not just with cars, right? With everything else, they're there. Yeah. And if I ever want to learn more, or if I ever needed a question, they're always right there to help me with that. So,
Angelo, you brought up a point there I want to sort of look into a little bit, and that is that outside of even the automotive stuff, they're there for you. Talk to me about the importance of being sort of supported your whole way through.
Yeah, like my teacher Adil, he's every time I've emailed him or something has gone up, he understands. Everyone understands. He gets me. He asks if I'm okay. You know, it's really nice. It's really comforting.
Yeah.
It's really nice to have that.
That's a different way of learning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it brings a new way to interact with the students. So
good.
It's really helpful. What's
that perfect job look like for you when you come out of all of this?
For me, it's just trying to maybe own a shop and you know, work on like these cars even for myself.
Right.
And hopefully one day.
Is there a certain kind of car, an engine you like to work on?
I really like my Japanese, like Hondas, Toyotas. I really like my
pretty good engineering there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice and easy. So.
Good. Been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thank you.
Of course. Sounds good. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.